The Tesla Cybertruck is one of Tesla's most anticipated vehicles. It was introduced by Elon Musk in 2019 and stands out for its futuristic design, performance features, and innovative features. Let's take a closer look at the key aspects of Cybertruck. Design exterior. Cybertruck has a high-angular, futuristic design that looks like something out of science fiction. It has a stainless steel exoskeleton made of ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled steel. This material is designed for maximum durability, strength, and resistance to rot and corrosion. Glass. The car has Tesla armor glass for added durability, despite cracking when a steel ball was fired at the car's display. Performance. Cybertruck will be presented in 3 variants. Single motor, RWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds. Approximate distance is 250 miles. Towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. Dual motor AWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. Approximate distance is 300 miles, 10,000 pound towing capacity. Tri-motor AWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.9 seconds. Approximate distance is 300 miles, 500 miles, 14,000 pounds towing capacity. Technology and features. Autopilot. The Cybertruck will come with Autopilot, Tesla's semi-autonomous driving system, and will be equipped for full self-driving capabilities in the future through software updates. Adaptive air suspension. The truck comes with an adjustable ride height for off-roading and increased cargo capacity. It can raise or lower the suspension up to 4 inches. Storage. The Cybertruck offers 100 cubic feet of lockable storage space and a storage-like bed, called the Gnosis, with a retractable lid. Solar roof option. Musk said the Cybertruck will have the option to add solar panels to its roof, potentially providing additional distance from sunlight. Inside, the interior of the Cybertruck is designed for 6 people and has a minimalist aesthetic typical of Tesla cars. The dashboard includes a large touchscreen display similar to the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Utility. The rear bed, known as the vault, is 6.5 feet long and has 100 cubic feet of enclosed storage space. It also includes 120-volt and 240-volt outlets for power tools and accessories. Off-road capability. Cybertruck is designed for rough terrain. Its approach and departure angles are impressive for a truck. 35-degree approach angle, 28 degrees departure angle, ground clearance. Up to 16 inches, one of the highest in its class, making it suitable for off-roading. Price. When the Cybertruck was announced, Tesla provided the following pricing structure, although this may change closer to launch. Single motor, RWD, starts at $39,900. Dual motor, AWD, starts at $49,900. Tri-motor, AWD, starts at $69,900. All models are eligible for Tesla's full self-driving package, which is an additional cost. Production and delivery. Production of the Cybertruck was originally expected to begin in 2021, but the production schedule was pushed back due to delays and supply chain issues. Starting in 2024, Tesla is ramping up its efforts to start deliveries, with the Gigafactory Texas expected to handle the majority of production. Market impact. Cybertruck aims to compete in the pickup market, especially in North America, where pickups are very popular. It will compete with traditional trucks like the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ram 1500, as well as electric new cars like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. Controversy and hype. The Cybertruck's design has been polarizing, with many praising its bold, innovative look and others finding it too unconventional. A failure of the glass display during the unveiling attracted media attention and led to debate around the car's durability. All in all, the Tesla Cybertruck is poised to shake up the automotive industry with its blend of futuristic design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its success will depend on its ability to meet production targets and compete with the growing number of electric trucks entering the market. For additional insight into the Tesla Cybertruck, its advancements, potential use cases, and market thoughts, here's another thing to remember. Innovative use cases. Cybertruck is planned with a range of customer meetings in mind. Outdoor enthusiasts. Due to its basic stance clearance, strong rough terrain capabilities, and large stock pickup limit, The Cybertruck is great for off-road exercises such as camping, off-roading, and rough terrain exploration. Development and trade. Basic power outlets, 120 volts and 240 volts, help development professionals use power tools without requiring a separate generator. A robust exoskeleton likewise extends to enhanced employability insurance. Towing and towing. With a high towing limit, especially in the tri-engine variation, it rivals conventional rock trucks. It is designed to handle heavy trailers, boats, and huge equipment. Metropolitan use. Despite its large size, Tesla claims it will have features that make it reasonable for metropolitan conditions, such as advanced programming, sensors, and improved maneuverability with autonomous driving elements. Potential uses of full self-driving FSD. When Tesla's full self-driving framework, FSD, reaches a completely autonomous level, the Cybertruck can meet the needs of former personal and business use. Autonomous Armada services. Tesla has hinted at a possible merger in the robotaxi network, where the Cybertruck could be essential for an autonomous armada. Independent vehicle of goods. Coordinated factors can become an electric option for organizations to transport goods independently, especially in rural or remote areas. Sustainability and environmental impact electric powertrain. As with all Tesla vehicles, the Cybertruck is all-electric, which reduces emissions compared to gas or diesel trucks. This is especially important for large trucks, which are usually less environmentally friendly and have higher emissions. Solar-focused roof. Elon Musk has recommended an option for a solar-powered roof that can reach up to 15 miles per day in ideal daylight conditions. This can be useful for long excursions in bright environments or for outside lovers who stay outside the matrix. Recyclable materials. Tesla's use of tempered steel not only makes the car more practical, but also adds strength, as the used steel is deeply recyclable. This aligns with Tesla's broader commitment to supportability. Challenges and expected criticisms. Size and design. The massive size of the Cybertruck can make it difficult for urban renters to leave or explore confined spaces. Its powerful, unusual layout may also alienate a few buyers who gravitate toward ordinary-looking trucks. Weight. The Cybertruck's robust development, especially its stainless steel body, can make it significantly heavier than other electric trucks, which could possibly affect handling. Administrative concerns. The Cybertruck's exoskeleton configuration can present challenges when meeting obvious health regulations under normal auto safety regulations. Given the Cybertruck's tough, precise design, Tesla may have to address crash test conditions or pedestrian health. Creation delays. Tesla has a history of aggressive creation courses of events, and the Cybertruck has faced delays proactively. While creativity tends to be the case, the scale of large-scale production can pose more challenges, especially in the context of a worldwide production network. Competitors and the electric truck market. After the Cybertruck was revealed, various electric trucks were introduced to the market. Portage F-150 Lightning, an all-electric rendition of the Passage's truck top, the F-150. Lightning offers a more conventional layout, along with comparable performance highlights such as towing limit and reach. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T has garnered acclaim for its rugged terrain capabilities, extravagant layout, and imaginative stock options. It is viewed as a superior electric truck with a higher starting price than the base Cybertruck model. GMC Hummer EV. Reviving the Hummer brand as an electric vehicle, the Hummer EV focuses on a comparable segment with elite performance features, rough terrain capabilities, and a demand for extravagance. The battle is heating up in the electric truck space, but Tesla's brand recognition, combined with Cybertruck's strong methodology, certainly benefits it. It will all depend on how well Tesla can perform.